When you're doing FODMAP, you tend to come across a few people who are super enthusiastic about it, and this is particularly one particular person that I've come across and have engaged with over the last year or so on a couple of occasions on social media, and I really love her work. I think she does an amazing job of getting the word out about FODMAP, and yeah, she is very worthwhile checking out on both her blog and her social media. So just wanted to introduce you to Alana, and Alana is based in New Zealand, and she has this blog called A Little Bit Yummy. She has some amazing blog articles which are really detailed and very useful for when it comes to FODMAP. She has some fantastic recipes, and she is somebody who just came across FODMAP much like I did, almost out of just needing to find something in her life. And yeah, she's just taught herself the same principles that I've taught myself, and she's gone a little bit further, and she's started to do things like write for Monash University, so and the healthy food guide, etc. So you know that she's credible, and she has a very strong social media presence as well. So you can find her Facebook page here, which is called A Little Bit Yummy. In fact, I think all of her stuff is called A Little Bit Yummy. She has almost 10,800 people now subscribed to that page, which is fantastic. She has a Pinterest page here where she's got loads of really good boards on recipes, mainly how to survive the FODMAP elimination phase. Some of these are lovely pictures actually that I remember from almost years ago when I first started. That's how important she has been to me in my journey. If we look at her Instagram page, which is something actually I haven't followed yet, and I'm going to now. There you go, Alana. So fairly new, and she's got lots of FODMAP related photography up there, no doubt again linking that to her recipes. And her Twitter, A Little Bit Yummy again, so that's at A Little Bit Yummy, where she talks all about the other things that she's doing in the FODMAP world. So a great presence there from Alana, and somebody I thoroughly recommend that you follow in everything she does online, in fact.